Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to install F5 Big IP on VMware. So let's start. To get the download via F5 Big IP OVA file, you just need to go f5.com. So in F5, after going to f5.com, just go to products, then Big IP, then come at down and click on start trial. After going to start trial, login or register. Here, if you are having a account already, then log in with your credential, or else create a new one. Register yourself at F5 site. I'm already having account, so I logged in with my credential, but it's saying you have reached maximum allowed VE trial key per year. Okay, so per year you get only 3 evaluation copy license. So I will not be able to get another one. So I'll log out with this account and I'll create another account so I can show you. This is the steps to create a new account. Enter your mail ID. Click on next. Here you'll have to fill all the details what they need. The detail marked with a star, that is compulsory. So here I filled all my details and created one account with my another mail ID. Let's log in. It's saying thank you for registering. Login instruction have been sent to your registered mail ID. Let's check my mail ID. Click on this link. It will redirect you to F5 site. Here you'll have to set a new password. Click on submit. Log in again. After login first time, this is saying this is the authorized site. This user account has access of following resources: Ask F5, Big IP, iHealth, downloads, F5 universities. Go to f5.com again, and then products, Big IP, come at down, select start trial, log in with your credentials. Previously F5 was providing 2 licenses, one for 30 days and second, now they are providing only for 90 days. Okay, so this is the page after logged in with your credential. Here you are getting 90 days evaluation copy. It's saying it's free trial period. What is the purpose of trial? Select that. I'm selecting here other, lab testing purpose. Then select your job function, network architecture. Then select which trial would you like: Big IP VE and Big IP VE and Big IP IQ. One license. Okay, it's here 3 black test. Register request for a license key. So here they are saying thank you for your interest in Big IPVE. Your trial registration key and activation instruction will be emailed within next 30 minutes to your registered mail account. Please review and get started documents and download the appropriate software for your environment. Click here. So after redirecting to another page, and download VMware file, VMware OVA file for Big IP. You'll have to select accept here. I accept, click on I accept, then select the nearest server which nearest to your current location. I'm selecting here Singapore. So this is the OVA file, Big IP 13.1.1.004.OVA. It almost 1.6 GB of file. It will take few minutes, all depends on your internet connection speed. So my load is completed. If you want to open it, double click on it, or else go to VMware and select the option. I'll show you. Select the option open virtual machine. Select the path where your Big IP OVA file is stored. Select that file and click on OK. It will simply import the file. Before that, accept the license and click on next. Read the license before accepting. Give the name as per your convenience. Here I am giving F5 Big IP. Browse the location where you want to store this virtual machine. By default it will store at documents. You can change. Okay, it's already one machine is existed with same name. Okay, I will store it at somewhere else. It's giving deployment option, 4 deployment options: 1 CPU, 2 GB RAM, 2 CPU, 4 GB RAM, 4 CPU, 8 GB RAM, and 8 CPU, 16 GB RAM. I'll select first option, click on import. To import the file, it will take few minutes. Machine is imported successfully. You can see here. So here Big IP OVA file imported successfully. After that, here I removed a network adapter 4th. Just select here and you can remove it from here, because network adapter 4 we will be using for HA high availability, but for right now we will use only 3 network adapter here, so that's why I removed that. Just you can change this network adapter setting as well. Select the network adapter, go to custom, then select VMnet 1, 2, 3, what you want. I'll show you what setting. So this is the F5 Big IP machine right now. Okay, I'll show you my VMware virtual network adapter VMnet adapter settings here. What I did, I'll show it side by side. So here VMnet 1, VMnet 0 is host only type, and its subnet is 10.1.1.0/24, and it is connected to network adapter F5 Big IP's network adapter 3, as you can see here. VMnet 1 is host only type and its subnet is 192.168.1.0/24 and it is connected to network adapter. Yeah, that's only network adapter. It's a network adapter 1. This network adapter we will use for management to access the web GUI of F5 big IP, and then VMnet 2 is host only again, and its subnet is 172.16.1.0/24 and it is connected to F5 big IP network adapter 2. Okay, here we can see a side-by-side comparison. This is my setting of VMware virtual network adapter setting, and this is a F5 big IP machine network adapter setting. VMnet network adapter is connected. F5 big IP network adapter is connected to VMnet 1. Network adapter 2 is connected to VMnet 2, and network adapter 3 is connected to VMnet 0. Okay, let's move further. This is the F5 big IP machine 2. As I told you, network adapter, F5 big IP's network adapter, we are going to use it for management access, and its IP address is 192.168.1.100/24. This is that network adapter. Okay, and it's connected to VMnet 1, and this is the same subnet 192.168.1.0/24, and this is the IP address from the same subnet. Okay, and ETH 1.1 is an external interface. It is a network adapter 2 and its IP address is 172.16.1.100/24. Network adapter 2, and it's connected to my VMware's VMnet 2, and its subnet is 172.16.1.0/24. So this is the IP from same subnet of VMnet 2. Okay, then ETH 1.2 is a internal interface, and its network adapter 3, that its IP address is 10.1.1.100/24. network adapter 3, and it's connected to VMnet 0. Here it is, the VMnet 0, its host type. Its subnet is 10.1.1.0/24/24. Here is I think it's network adapter setting, and all things are cleared, I think now. Let's move to lab topology. So this is the F5 big IP load balancer. This is the web server pool, what we are going to use. This is the external host machine from which we are going to access all the web servers. Load balancer will so IP scheme is also given here. 172.16.1.150. This is the virtual IP for this server pool, and host machine will access this server pool through this IP address. Okay, this is the external interface, this is the internal interface, and this is the management interface 192.168.1.100. External interface F5 big IP's external interface IP is 172.16.1.100, and host machine IP is 172.16.1.15, and default gateway is interface address of F5 big IP, external interface IP address, that is 172.16.1.100. And again, on all the three servers, you'll have to give a default gateway, that is internal interface IP address of F5 big IP, that is 10. Let's go and power on our F5 big IP machine. Yes, I copied it. Select option first. It will take few minutes to load completely. Here we are getting a login prompt. It's user ID, login user ID and password. CLI login user ID and password is root and password is default. So see here, root @local host, and it's saying no license. After logged in into GUI, web GUI, we'll have to install the license on this machine. Okay, before that I'll show you the management IP address, how to configure. tmsh list sys management IP. Okay, I configured it previously, so that's why it's showing you 192.168.1.100. Okay, so to configure it, just exit from here. Okay, to configure the management IP address as per your convenience, you can set anything. Go to config, the F5 big IP management IP address configuration utility. Use this utility to add IP address, netmask and default route for the management port on this system. You must add an IP address, netmask for the management port before you can use the web-based setup utility. Okay, click on OK, enter. Use automatic configuration of IP address. No, we will say no. So it's saying I'll keep the same IP address. So if you want to change, you can just clear it and then again type 192.168.1.100 and select OK and then enter. Netmask, OK. Do you want to create a default route for the management port? No, I don't want it. So it's saying this is the IP address and this is the netmask. System management connectivity may be lost if management address changes. Okay, accept these things. Yes. Okay, then again go to tmsh and apply this command list sys management IP. It will show the management IP. Okay, so let's go to command prompt. Let's go to command prompt. Try to ping 192.168.1.100. Yes, we are able to ping. Go to your web browser and type https://192.168.1.100. Your connection is not secure. Advanced, add exception, confirm security exception. Default web GUI login username password. and password is also same, admin. So here we logged in and it's asking to complete the setup utility. Okay guys, thanks for watching this video. That's it in this video. In next video we will complete the setup utility. Okay, you will get the license key over your register mail. So using that license key we can complete the setup utility. Next step is, you can see here, licensing step is the next. If you click on next, it will ask you for a no license is activated. So that's it in this video. If you're having any doubt, please let me know in comment section.